Hello, I'm Ray Monk with Monk's Tree Service. And as I told you before, number one mistake of cutting trees is not putting your ropes in trees. Me as a company, and my company has been in business for 25 years. In 25 years, I put ropes in 99% of the trees. Even I can be wrong and not know which way the tree's gonna fall. So I and my crew make sure we put trees in 99% of our trees with somebody pulling on them to make sure they go the right direction. A lot of times on bigger trees, I have the trees hooked to my truck to where I can pull the tree over without guys trying to pull and pull and pull and get tired and can't pull anymore, and the tree is still standing. So personally myself, I hook trees to the rope and to my truck to make the trees fall where we want them to fall.